Ako sir na lang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Head clean. Nozzle test.
Meow, 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 meow.
Ito ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming capping. Ito ang aming ABS. Ang aming waste tank. At ang aming ground wire. Aming in-use supply. At ito ang aming use supply. Ang aming weekly checklist. At ito ang aming output record. Ito ang aming consumable, black, cyan, white, magenta, yellow. At ito ang aming daily output record. Ito ang aming weekly inventory.